at a home here on Audubon subdivision in Spanish Fort. And first of all, I'm just going to give my disclaimer that there is no way that I can share everything, every special, unique upgrade and feature about this home on this video. It's definitely something you're going to have to come and just see it for yourself to appreciate. But it's Audubon itself is a great community with custom built homes, estate sized homes with estate sized lots. Definitely one of their claims to fame is that you kind of start at half acre and go from there. You do have reclaimed heart of pine flooring. You also just have a beautiful stairway. Their lighting package is amazing. This home is totally up to date. Your formal dining room has great crown molding, recessed lights, and a beautiful chandelier. Also, the size of this formal dining room is just amazing. Really, you can fit whatever size furniture that you need in this dining room. They definitely did a great job there. To the right here is a doorway that goes, an entryway that goes to your master. Your great room, I mean, this is just a showcase home. I have never seen this exact floor plan. So, you know, that just goes to say that this is truly a custom built home. Very open. You've got, and I'm going to say 14-foot ceilings. It could be higher. 14, I feel comfortable that they're at least that tall. Crown molding, of course, surround sound. There are 3 different surround sound systems in this home so that you are able to listen to music in different areas and not have to listen to what somebody in a different area of the home is listening to, which is important because this home is 4,000 plus square feet. Really a beautiful entertaining area. Lots of custom features from, you know, your cabinets, your Carrara marble island, vegetable sink, double ovens, a warming drawer, pot filler, tile backsplash, a full custom refrigerator, full freezer, definitely a place where you can even put full artwork above the cabinetry because the ceilings are so high. Beautiful exterior doors that are solid wood, both on the front and on the back. Anyway, this home is truly amazing. I'm going to go to the master, and definitely you do have a huge master. I'm going to guess at the size here. Understair storage. The wood floors continue into the master bedroom. The size here, that is a king size bed, and I want you just to take note of the additional, I mean, you have got even among the, in front of the king size bed, 2 club chairs, an 8x10 rug, and then more additional furniture. So to say that this is a large, great master bedroom, excuse me, is to say the least. You do have custom built, custom made bamboo shades. Goodness gracious, I'm kind of mincing my words here. The wood continues here. Now this closet, you are gonna, if you are an organizational guru and want a place for everything and have a lot of things, you are gonna love this closet because it truly is amazing. Lots of built-in, lots of drawers, cabinets, shelves, drawers, mirror, and a beautiful light fixture to boot. Also, I will say several of their closets have this automatic light, which when you close the door or open it, your light automatically comes on and off. So such a great feature. Those features 8-foot doors here. Those features only come in a house where truly somebody built it themselves and they paid attention to detail. And when you pay attention to one detail, then the nice thing is, you know, they've probably paid attention to other details and really done a great job in their building process. This is a home that's built by not from somebody who has built just one home too. That's another thing. When you've built multiple homes, you always improve. Beautiful shower, beautiful multi-head shower. I love the fact they took the tile all the way to the top. You've got your nice blondes in, which is in right now, custom mirrors. You do have your granite countertops in here, beautiful tile. The up-to-date clawfoot tub. And then once again, you've got sconces, and your surround sound up in the ceiling, the flush mount speakers. Another nice feature about this home is just they do have some exterior lighting, and honestly, the name of it has just escaped me, but look up the writing and you will see it. It's, I want to say Bevelor. It is what I'm trying to say, but for some reason I'm doubting myself. Kitchen, I'm going to spend another second on the kitchen. Ice maker, the 2 sinks, the farm size sink, and then your vegetable sink. You have your outdoor kitchen. I'll give you a tip on that. And you do have this window here that opens left to right so that you can pass things through to the grill area. Pot filler, custom cabinetry, just amazing. A pantry. To the left, you go to a 3-car garage. Straight ahead, you've got your half bath for guests. Definitely a beautiful half bath. Laundry room, cabinets, washer dryer, plenty of storage. It is plumbed for a mud sink with a pocket door there. Mud sink, but they have chosen not to have that. If a mud sink is important to you, definitely can have that. Walk-in closet. And here is a guest bedroom or a second bedroom on the first floor. They're using it as an exercise room, but the size of this room can definitely accommodate a king-size bed. If you need the mirrors off, we can work that out. Other than that, it does have its full walk-in closet and a full ensuite bath. So your guests, when they come to town, they do not have to share a bathroom with your guests. There is a true dedicated half bath as well that guests use. And then the back is another amazing feature about this home. And this is what is going to sell the home. So you come out, you have beautiful flagstone flooring, and then you have countertop space, and not outdoor cheap countertop space. You have got granite with an undermount sink. You've got your grill space. You have Carrara marble once again with your island. You actually even have solid wood raised panel cabinetry. I mean, these are just features that you do not see at your typical outdoor kitchen. You've got beautiful tongue and groove stained ceiling with lots of surround sound speakers, as well as recessed light, ceiling fans, a beautiful, beautiful gas grill or gas fireplace. I mean, just look, can you not see yourself with your friends enjoying this entertainment area, grill area? Because not only do you have that space, but you also have this space. So you've got the covered, but you also have a very generous uncovered side, as well as a sports pool that is perfect for the depth of it is perfect for basketball. They do have the basketball, they've got the volleyball, they've got a heated jacuzzi tub. You also have the little fountains that just put forth. I'm gonna be quiet for 2 seconds so you can kind of hear it in the background. So you've got the little trickle of water, the flagstone surround that's so beautiful. And then the other nice feature, painted brick. I don't know if I've mentioned that. Let's see if I've got this door unlocked. Yep. Here is for your guests at the pool, because everybody has to go to the potty after they hit water. Is you've got a full bath right here. You can shower, you can use the restroom, and it's right off the pool. So nobody has to run through the house in their wet swimsuit. Now, once again, this homeowner, they were thinking very well, very smart when they built this. This is your bonus room. This is a full multi-purpose. You can make this a guest suite. You can make it an in-law suite. You've got a full bath. This is room for a sleeping area as well as a sitting area. And then you even have the sink, refrigerator, plenty of room for a microwave. You can make this a full in-law suite and have a parent close by that has total privacy with sunlight and other beautiful features. I mean, this is a part of the home that is truly beautiful as well. You've got the solid wood double front doors, so you could use it as an in-law suite, a team suite, or the other thing is you can just open up these doors. They're French doors. When you have guests out here and they can be playing pool, you can have the game on the TV out there and here. I mean, you can feel like you're at a sports bar. You've got 3 TVs in about 2 seconds that you would have the ability to see. And the beams are beautiful, and once again, 3 separate dedicated surround sounds. And 4 exterior, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, the set of French doors, and then 5 beautiful solid wood stained doors that are 8 foot tall here at the exterior. Just beautiful, truly beautiful. And expensive. All right, so that is, if that's not enough, the pool was gunite. Like I say, I need to give a disclaimer. This home is so amazing. I am probably missing so many details that you just have to come and see it. The pool was gunite. It's salt water. The sports pool, you've got to where you can play the volleyball and basketball. The outdoor kitchen speaks for itself. But then your bedroom, so you've got 2 bedrooms downstairs, and then you have 3 up here. If you wanted to use the in-law suite for a bedroom, then that would be bedroom number 6 actually. So you've got a big home, but they did great things so that you don't have to always have it as a bedroom, that you can definitely you know, use them as additional entertaining space or just functional, you know, workout space, things like that, or offices. So that was bedroom number 1 upstairs. Here is bedroom number 2 upstairs that has its own vanity. And then you have the Jack and Jill where they share the tub. And then this one has its own vanity toilet area as well. And a bedroom. And I am out of breath because I feel like there is so much to tell you about this gorgeous home that I've just tried to rush and I've stumbled over my words, but hopefully this video will serve its purpose and you will just say, hey, listen, if nothing else, I am for sure putting this house on my list to see. I am calling Laura today to make sure that I get to see this house. So once again, my name's Laura Reeves with Coldwell Banker, 251-490-8402. Give me a call. Let me show you this home. Thank you.